Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. So today I just wanted to share with you guys about some hadith that the Prophet states about the seven heavens. I mean the size of the seven heavens. So there's a hadith from the Prophet stated that the first heaven is something like a ring that is thrown on a desert, and then the second heaven is also like a ring that is thrown on a desert, and then the third heaven is also the same thing up until the seventh heaven, and then the seventh heaven is compared to the Arash of Allah, the throne of Allah, is something like a drop of water onto a sea, something like that. So this is basically an interesting fact that we can find in Islam, because we can see that if you look into the galaxy, the universe and the galaxy, you can find that the galaxy is indeed in the shape of like a ring, because in the galaxy, our solar system is actually orbiting nothing, which is a hollow middle of the galaxy, and then which is shaped just like a ring. And then what this suggests is that the galaxy, the Milky Way that we are in, is also there's also a gigantic black hole that is it's orbiting a gigantic black hole, and then the same thing goes over and over again. So which means that there's about multiple levels of this black holes that it is orbiting. All the galaxies are orbiting, except that until the seventh heaven, the Arash of Allah, the throne of Allah, it's just like a drop of water on the sea, something like that, as compared to the size of the throne of Allah. So this is something about scientific fact in Islam that you can find about the size of the galaxy. So you can know that the first heaven is based on this hadith. We can conclude that inshallah this is true. We can conclude that the first heavens is which is the Milky Way. Our Milky Way, we are orbiting a black hole. Our sun is orbiting a black hole. Our solar system is orbiting a black hole, and then that is the first heaven. And then the second heaven is that our galaxy plus with other galaxy is orbiting an entire black hole. So this is a great scientific fact on Islam, and then it is actually accurate in terms of science. So so just in case if you guys are not Muslim, so you guys may want to look into Islam as a way of life, and then because we are basically being tested out here in this life, whether we are going to pass this test or we're not going to pass this test, and inshallah the mercy of Allah is bigger than his anger. So inshallah Allah will destine us as being a part of those who are destined to heaven, inshallah. And then we can also do our best to become the best Muslim we can in this life. And then if you're not Muslim, please do look into Islam, inshallah, that you can find the straight path.